Lecture 4. What's a prompt and why it matters? Every image generated in MidJourney starts with one simple thing, a prompt. It's not code or command, it's just a short line of text that describes what you want to see. But that short line can completely shape what MidJourney gives you in return. In this lecture, we will learn what a prompt actually is, why it's so central to your results, and how the way you phrase it can turn vague outputs into visually stunning arts. Whether you're trying to generate a dreamy landscape or a realistic portrait, the words you choose make all the difference. Think of this as learning how to speak the AI's creative language clearly, purposefully, and with imagination. You don't need to be a poetic or technical to write a good prompt. You just need to be intentional, descriptive, and clear. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to define what a prompt is and its role in MidJourney. Understand how prompt structure affects image results. Recognize the difference between vague and specific prompts. Begin writing simple but strong prompts that get the results you want. What is a prompt really? A prompt is the text you type to tell MidJourney what you want to see. It can be a single word, a short phrase, or a detailed sentence. Think of it like giving directions to an artist who doesn't speak your language but can still interpret visuals with incredible precision. For example, a vague prompt, city skyline, but a clear prompt, futuristic city skyline at sunset, neon lights, rainy streets. Both will give you something, but the second one gives MidJourney more to work with, more clues about mood, setting, time of day, and style. Why the prompt matters. MidJourney doesn't think like a human. It doesn't guess what you meant or ask for clarification. It takes your prompt at face value. So, if you are vague, you get vague results. If you are specific, you give the AI something solid to build from. Every word in your prompt adds context. Some words shape the subject, robot, waterfall. Others shape the style, sketch, cyberpunk. Or some influence the tone, peaceful, chaotic. The more purposeful your words, the closer the results will be to your vision. MidJourney is not reading between the lines. It's building based on the blocks you give it. That's why prompt writing is a creative skill in itself. Basic prompt structure. There is no perfect formula, but most effective prompts include a combination of the following. Subject. What do you want the image to show? For example, astronaut, temple, or bird. Environment or setting. Where is it taking place? For example, underwater, forest, or cityscape. Mood or tone. What should it feel like? For example, peaceful, eerie, or energetic. Style or medium. Do you want it to look like a photo, painting, 3D model, or sketch? Details. Colors, lighting, perspective, action, etc. Here's an example. A glowing dragon flying above snow-covered mountains at night. Cinematic style, detailed, soft lighting, fantasy artwork. This is a strong prompt because it tells MidJourney what to draw, what mood to create, what style to follow, and what kind of detail to include. Bad prompts versus better prompts. Here's a quick comparison. Weak prompt could be dog, but a stronger prompt would be a golden retriever puppy sitting in a sunflower field, bright daylight, realistic style. The first one is generic. The other paints a picture. Start with what you want to see. Then add extra words to describe how you want it to look or feel.